Hello friends, we have completed the chapter number 2, Quadratic Equation, all the practice set. Now we'll start the problem set. The length of the problem set is big, therefore I had divided this problem set into 3 videos. That is the problem set A, problem set B and problem set C. I am sure that you will like all these examples. You solve all these examples by taking the pause on the on my video. You can write it. If you like this, subscribe it, share it with your friends, and you will get the intimations of my uploaded videos. Now let us start the problem set A. Problem set 2. Choose the correct alternatives answer for the following sub-questions. Which of the following is a quadratic equation? That is, phi of 1x minus 3 is equals to x square. B. X in bracket x plus 5 is equals to 2. N minus 1 is equals to 2n. And the D is 1 upon x square in bracket x plus 2 is equals to x. If you solve this first equation, multiply on both sides by x, then the power of that x is x raised to 3. Therefore, it is not the quadratic equation. Alternative examples, multiple choice. जे सर्व ऑप्शन्स जोपर्यंत आपल्याला करेक्ट आन्सर मिळत नाही तोपर्यंत मी त्याच्या स्टेप्स केले. Now this is quadratic equation. X in bracket x plus 5 is equals to 2. X square plus 5x is equals to 2. X square plus 5x minus 2 is equals to 0 is a quadratic equation. Now next. Set. Which of the following is not a quadratic equation? Which is not the quadratic equations? म्हणजे एकच असेल की जे नसणार. X square plus 4x is equals to 11 plus x square on both sides get cancelled. So this is not the quadratic equation first. Second, x that is a D is a 2x minus x square is equals to x square plus 5. It's a quadratic equation. Only first, that is x square plus 4x is equals to 11 plus x square is not the quadratic equation. If you simplify it, you will get 4x minus 11 equals to 0, and hence option A is correct. Number 3. Which of following is the value of k if the roots of x square plus kx plus k equals to 0 are real and equal? A is 0, B is 4, C is 0 or 4, and the D is 2. Now for that, we find out the discriminant. That is x square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Then value of A is 1, B is k, and C is also k. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to A is 1, B is k, and C is equals to k. Therefore, by the condition that is delta is 0, b square minus 4ac that is equals to 0. It is k square minus 4, 1 into k equals to 0, k common, then in bracket, k in bracket, k minus 4 equals to 0. Therefore, k is equals to 0 or k is equals to 4. मल्टिपल चॉइस एग्जांपल्स देखील सॉल्व करून दाखवले तुम्हाला निश्चितच आवडणार and hence the C is answer. Number 4. Which of the following is the value of the discriminant for root 2x square minus 5x plus root 2 equals to 0. Now discriminant means what? Delta is equals to b square minus 4ac. Now again we will compare it with ax square plus bx plus c बरोबर equals to 0. याशी आपण compare करणार आहोत. Now comparing with ax square plus bx plus c. Therefore a is equals to root 2, b is equals to minus 5, c is equals to root 2. Therefore delta is equals to b square minus 4ac. The value of the b is minus 5 bracket square minus 4, a is root 2 and c is root 2. Therefore 25 minus 4, root 2 into root 2 is 2, 2 into 4 that is 8. 25 minus 8 that is equals to 17. Therefore, delta is equals to 17. Hence, option B is correct. Now, next, multiple choice. It is problem number 5. Which of the following equation has roots 3 and 5? Now x square minus 15x plus 8 equals to 0. B. X square minus 8x plus 15 equals to 0. C. X square x square plus 8x minus 15 equals to 0. X square minus 8x plus 15 we can factorize, that is a 5 and 3, x minus 3, x minus 5 equals to 0. Therefore x minus 3 equals to 0 or x minus 5 equals to 0. Therefore x is equals to 3 or x is equals to 5. Hence option B is the answer, correct one. Now next, number 6. Which of the following equation has the sum of the roots minus 5 Now the sum of the roots means what? Alpha plus beta is equals to minus b upon a. See this? 3x square minus 15x plus alpha plus beta is equals to minus b upon a. D, the option is correct one. 3x square plus 15x plus 3 equals to 0. A is 3, b is equals to 15. Therefore, alpha plus beta is equals to minus 15 upon 3. And that is equals to minus 5. Hence, the D option is correct. Number 7. Root 5 m square minus root 5 m plus root 5 equals to 0. Which of the following statement is true for this given equation? A, that is their roots are real and unequal. Real and unequal roots. Second, real and equal roots. C, real roots are not real. And D, 3 roots. Now the 3 roots are never possible. That A is equals to root 5, B is equals to minus root 5, C is equals to root 5. Now delta is equals to b square minus 4ac. The value of the b is minus root 5 bracket square minus 4 root 5 into root 5. That is a minus root 5 square is a 5, 4 root 5 into root 5. That is equals to minus 15. The roots are not real. That is the its value is the roots are not minus 15 less than 0. Therefore, the roots are, C option is correct one. The roots are not real. C is answer. Not real. The roots are not real. Next, question number 8. One of the roots of equation x square plus mx minus 5 equals to 0 is to find m. The option is minus 2, b minus 1 upon 2, c 1 upon 2, and the d is 2. Now in this case, substitute the value of x as a 2. In the given quadratic equation, that is a 2 square plus m into 2 minus 5 equals to 0. 4 plus 2m minus 5 equals to 0. That is minus 1 plus 2m equals to 0. Therefore, 2m is equals to 1. Therefore, m is equals to 1 upon 2. Therefore, option C is correct. Question number 2. Which of the following are quadratic equations. First, x square plus 2x plus 11 equals to 0. Yes, it is a quadratic equation. Second, x square minus 2x plus 5 equals to 0 is equals to x square. Now x square x are on both sides get cancelled. Therefore, you will get minus 2x plus 5. Therefore, it is not the quadratic equation. Number 3, x plus 2 bracket square is equals to 2x square. Now, if we expand this, that is x plus 2 bracket square means what? X square plus 4x plus 4 is equals to 2x square. Therefore, if we simplify this, 2x square minus x square minus 4x minus 4 equals to 0. That is x square minus 4x minus 4 equals to 0. Yes, this is a quadratic equation. Number 3, find the value of the discriminant for each of the following equations. First, 2y square minus y plus 2 equals to 0. Comparing with discriminant means what? That is a b square minus 4ac. I am writing this equation in the variable ay square plus by plus c is equals to 0. The value of a is 2, b is minus 1, c is 2. Therefore, b square minus 4ac means what? Minus 1 square minus 4 into 2 into 2, that is 1 minus 16, that is equals to minus 50. Number 2, 5m square minus m equals to 0. Now again, am 5m square minus m plus 0 is equals to 0. Comparing with simple questions आहे डिस्क्रिमिनंट फाइंड आउट करायचे. आपण प्रॅक्टिस सेट मध्ये देखील केलेले. am square plus bm plus c is equals to 0. a is equals to 5, b is equals to minus 1, c is 0. Therefore, delta is equals to b square minus 4ac minus 1 square minus 4 into 5 into 0. That is delta is equals to 1. This is the value of the discriminant. Number 3, root 5x square minus x minus root 5 equals to 0. Comparing with ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Therefore, you will get a is equals to root 5, b is equals to minus 1, c is equals to minus root 5. Therefore, delta is equals to b square minus 4ac. That is minus 1 square minus 4 into root 5 into minus root 5. 1 plus root 5 into root 5, 5. 4 into 5, 20 plus 1, 21. Therefore, delta is equals to 21. These are the values of the discriminant. अतिशय simple examples असणार आहेत. 2 मार्क लागू शकतात परीक्षेला. Now next, if one root of the quadratic equation 2x square plus kx minus 2 equals to 0 is minus 2. Find the value of k. त्याच टाईपचे प्रश्न आहे. x is replaced by -2. x च्या जागी -2 टाकणार आणि ते सॉल्व्ह करणार. You will get the value of the k. x is equals to -2 into x square plus kx minus 2 equals to 0. That is 2 in bracket -2 square plus k in bracket -2 minus 2 equals to 0. Therefore 2 into -2 square means 4. -2k minus 2 equals to 0. 8 minus 2k minus 2 equals to 0. 6 minus 2k equals to 0. Therefore 2k is equals to 6 and k is equals to 3. Therefore k is number 5. Two roots of quadratic equations are given. Frame the equation. First is 10 and minus 10. Alpha is 10 and beta is minus 10. Therefore, alpha plus beta is 10 plus in bracket minus 10 equals to 0. There and alpha into beta is equals to 10 into minus 10 is equals to minus 100. Therefore, the required quadratic equation is x square minus in bracket alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta equals to 0. That is x square minus 0 into x minus 100 equals to 0. And that's why x square minus 100 equals to 0 is the required quadratic equation. Second, 1 minus 3 root 5 and 1 plus 3 root 5. Here, alpha is equals to 1 minus 3 root 5 and beta is equals to 1 plus 3 root 5. Now, alpha plus beta is equals to, that is 1 minus 3 root 5 plus 1 plus 3 root 5. Now, minus 3 root 5 and plus 3 root 5 get cancelled. 1 plus 1 is 2. And their product, that is alpha into beta. That is 1 minus 3 root 5 in second bracket 1 plus 3 root 5. That is a minus b into a plus b. A square minus b square, that is 1 square minus 3 square means what? 9. Root of 5 square means what? 5. That is 1 minus 45, that is alpha dot beta is equals to minus 45. Therefore, the required quadratic equation x square minus in bracket alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta equals to 0. Therefore, x square minus 2x minus 44 equals to 0. Therefore, x square minus 2x minus 44 equals to 0. This is the required quadratic equation. X square minus 2x minus 44 equals to 0. Now next, number 3, 0 and 7. Alpha is 0 and beta is 7. Therefore, alpha plus beta is equals to 0 plus 7 is equals to 7. And alpha into beta is equals to 0. याच टाइपचे एक्झाम्पल्स आपण प्रॅक्टिस सेट मध्ये बघितलेले. आता तुमचा निश्चितच अजून चांगला सराव होणार आहे. Therefore, the required quadratic equation is x square minus in bracket alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta equals to 0, and that's why x square minus 7x plus 0 equals to 0. This is x square minus 7x equals to 0 is the required quadratic equation. Now next, number 6. Determine the nature of roots for each of the following: quadratic equation. First is 3x square minus 5x plus 7 equals to 0. Comparing with ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. A is equals to 3, b is equals to minus 5, c is equals to 7. Therefore, delta b square minus 4ac equals to minus 5 bracket square minus 4 into a means for 3, c is 7, 25 minus 84, and that is equals to minus 59. Delta is less than 0, it is negative 1. The roots are not real. Next, root 3x square plus root 2x minus 2 root 3 equals to 0. A is equals to, comparing again with ax square plus bx plus c. A is equals to root 3, b is equals to root 2, c is equals to minus 2 root 3. Therefore, delta is equals to b square minus 4ac, that is a root 2 square minus 4 root 3 into minus 2 root 3. Root 2 square means 2 plus 8 root 3 into root 3, 3. 8 into 3, 24. 24 plus 2, 26. Therefore, the roots are real and unequal because the value of the delta is greater than 0. Roots are real and unequal. Number 3. n square minus 2n plus 1 equals to 0. Comparing with am square plus bm plus c equals to 0. Therefore, a is equals to 1, b is equals to minus 2, c is equals to 1. Therefore, delta is equals to b square minus 4ac. That is minus 2 square minus 4, a is 1, c is 1. That is 4 minus 4 equals to 0. Therefore, the roots are real and equal. I hope that you understand all the problems with the help of my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel so that Maths for you will grow very fast. In case of any query, please write in the comment section. Thank you.